We're back in Boca Raton, year 5 of Edge, and we've just wrapped a dynamic day number 1.
I'm really excited. What an amazing day to kick things off. What were some of your highlights?
Oh gosh, I was so happy to see how our summit day came together. Really getting under the hood around things around AI and technology, investing strategies, working with ultra high net worth clients. So we really covered the gamut of what's happening in wealth management. And while all that's going on, we had people out on the golf course, we had think tanks happening, and then obviously the exhibit hall opened this afternoon, and we were off and running with some of our keynotes. So, I mean, day 1 was full, but what were some of your highlights for the keynotes?
Michael Crossland really setting such an interesting tone because it brought a different level.
I think we surprised people with that one a little bit, but I will say we added some levity afterwards with Jeopardy.
Anytime you can make thought leaders like Brian McLaughlin, Penny Phillips, and Josh Herring really, use a bop it on stage and have some fun, it is well worth it. So yes, it was amazing.
One thing that's heavy on our hearts right now is, as you know, we lost our good industry friend Tina Powell here recently.
Let's see what your answers are today. Who is somebody that belongs to the wealth management version of We Didn't Start the Fire?
One and only.
The one and only.
No one led with more joy than Tina did, and she would want to make sure we're all enjoying ourselves here. So, hey, if you're around the conference this week, you see me, and you want a pin to help honor Tina the way that we all are honoring her this week, please come on, talk to me. I got a pocket full of pins.
We'll be back tomorrow with some more highlights.
It's going to be an amazing week. Hey, for Wealth Management, I'm Matt Ackermann.
And I'm Shannon Rosic.
Have a great day.